Hey my glam family, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a video on my favorite nude lip combo, and I'm just going to be showing you my favorite nude lips. So without further ado, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and that post notification bell so you know when I post my next video. And let's get right into the video, y'all. Okay, so for my first nude lip combo, I'm just going to take my gloss off with this makeup wipe. Okay, so I'm going to use NYX or NYX lip liner in the color Espresso. And then I'm going to use NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Cairo, and it looks like this. So I'm just taking this soft matte lip cream. Okay, so that is that lip. Moving on to the next lip combo. Okay, so for the next lip, I'm going to use Espresso again. I'm gonna use I believe this is Ruby Kisses, but it says RK by Kiss, and it's their Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Dune. It just looks like this. And it looks like this. Y'all notice my blue hair? I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but my hair is blue. I love it so much. Anyway, okay, so my next favorite lip combo is going to be NYX lip liner in the color Brown. The NYX lip lingerie in the color Cheekies, and it just looks like this. Okay, so for the next lip, I'm going to use NYX lip liner in the color Y2K. I'm going to use NYX Intense Butter Gloss in the color Cookie Butter. So for those of you who know me, y'all know I'm a matte lip type of girl. I rarely ever do gloss, but this is cute. Y'all tell me this ain't cute. It might be different, but it's cute. I like this. Alright, next lip. NYX Espresso. Anastasia Beverly Hills. Anastasia, however y'all be saying it, but lip gloss in the color Tasty, and it just looks like this. Get into this lip, and it smells so good. Like, it lives up to its name, tasty. But yeah, this is the lip combo. I hope y'all liked all of these nude lip combos that I like to do, or that I've never tried, and you know, that look cute. I'll try to link them in the description box, but make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe like I said in the beginning. And I hope y'all enjoyed this. I really do. These are my favorite lip combos, especially this one. This is cute because y'all know I don't wear gloss, but this I'll probably be wearing more. I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye y'all.